This is the unboxing of some solar panels. These are purchased from Amazon, but they're Renogy's. You can see that this box has two 320 watt panels in it. Obviously this is the first time we're opening it. It just arrived via UPS. We've got two boxes to open. We'll see what kind of condition that they're all in. These solar panels are 18 BBs. They are N type. They're about, I don't know, 65 by 35, give or take a little bit. See what kind of shape they're in. We've got black styrofoam that appears to be all the way around them. That one had a center section that keeps them apart. Assuming that we're going to have the controls in here. Yep, so here's the positive and negative controls. You can zoom in on this right here. Get it the other, 90 degrees so that we can see the specs on them. And so, go ahead and put that back in there because we don't need that. The important thing is to see whether or not the other side is messed up. So I'm going to remove that and be very gentle whenever I do that. I'm going to set that in there just to keep those where we don't want them to. These things weigh around 35 pounds a piece, give or take a little bit. The box supposedly weighed 72 pounds, I think it was. Okay, and they are now totally separated. So I'm going to lift from this side. Okay, and this panel looks good. No cracks on it. So that is a good sign. And this panel looks good as well. So it appears to be crack-free. The edges look like they are good as well. What was that sound?
That was just the plastic, I think.
Plastic?
Oh, I thought that was a strap, the plastic
Well, it might have been a strap, I don't know. Okay. We'll set that one there. Might have to adjust those. Go ahead and hit pause on the video. Okay, this one, the box is messed up a little bit more. As you can see from looking around the edges, both here and the other side is messed up quite a bit too. But hopefully the packing is good enough on it that it's okay. This one actually has all four of the green straps. The first one was actually missing one of the straps. But it seemed to manage okay. We'll do the same thing on this one that we did on the last one. Now that I've done it once, I'll do a little bit faster on this one. Now on this one you can see that the piece of this stuff even got messed up a little bit there. Okay, that one looks good. Now the next steps after just doing the unboxing is to actually put these in the sun and put a multimeter on them to make sure that they're actually producing power the way they're supposed to. And that one looks good as well. I won't need to go ahead and put it up, but that's the unboxing of the Renogy 320 Renogy RSP 320 DC BK, 2 panels per box. And like and subscribe, and we will be actually doing some more testing on these and getting them installed in future videos.